if you want to blow up your channel on YouTube, you need two things, two very important things. The first thing you need to do is for you to target the right audience so that you can be creating content for them that they can resonate with. Second thing is to upload video consistently. Like, you can't even joke with step number 2. Now, if you are able to get the right audience on YouTube and you're not able to post content to them consistently, it simply means that you're going to lose that audience. So step number 2 is even more important than step number 1. But then again, creating these videos, uploading them to YouTube is not an easy game at all. Now, if you are like me, you will feel overwhelmed when it comes to uploading videos. Even before uploading videos, you need to shoot these videos, edit these videos, upload these videos, and you need to now go and cut the arms and the arms, cut the silences, do all that. It is so difficult for you to be able to have video on schedule to be uploaded on YouTube. And that is why this particular tool is a game changer. Gling AI is a wonderful tool that will literally help you achieve this step so that you can start uploading content consistently on YouTube and blow up your YouTube channel. This tool allows you to actually edit without you editing it. You upload your videos to Gling AI and Gling AI does the magic for you. And all you will have at the end of it all is to have an edited video. Now let me show you step by step on how to use Gling AI to get your videos up and running so that you can blow up your channel as soon as possible. So the first step here is to actually go and get this Gling AI installed, right? Go to the website Gling AI, and when you get to the website, all you need to do is to download this app. Then you can install it on your device. Obviously, they're going to ask you to sign up. You give them your email, give them your phone number. You can have free access to this particular tool. If you're using Mac OS or Windows, it doesn't even matter. You can still have this tool running on your system. Now, once you're done installing and setting up this tool, the next step is the crucial part of this whole setup, because this step is what will determine the quality of the video that you get as an output after this whole process. So step number 2 is to upload the video onto Gling AI. Now, when you're uploading this video, this is one step that a lot of people miss. You will see by the other side of the video, it will ask you to actually input your transcript if you have. I suggest you always have your transcript, because this tool is going to use AI to analyze your transcript and your video and make sure the AI cuts the video according to what you have on the transcript. So don't ignore the part of putting your transcript on the interface, right? So you can just upload that and let it start running. Immediately, this stuff does give you like 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the length of your video. Gling AI will start cutting all the repeated parts of your video. And all these are done automatically without you lifting a finger to do them yourself. Now, step number 3 is going to determine the quality of the content that you have as an output. Now, listen, you and I know that AI cannot get everything figured out yet. Even though we are coming to that soon, we are coming to an age where AI can get everything done for us just the way we want it, even without us doing anything. But guess what? The moment Gling AI was able to cut everything for you, you will have an interface where you can now go and double check. I urge you to actually double check. At this point, you can also edit your video by yourself using the text-based editing tool, right? You can go through the text-based editing tool and start to edit your videos. Where the Gling AI misses, or some part where it cuts off that you think you need in your video, you can literally just go back, undo them, or just use the text tool to cancel it, to delete it, and that part will be edited. So you can literally just go through the video yourself and just read it as though you are reading a novel, then delete anything you want to be deleted. It will automatically appear on the video as a deleted part as well. Smooth and running. So which simply means that Gling AI is solving the problem of you, even though you don't know how to edit, but you can now edit now without even having the technical knowledge of video editing. How cool is that? After that, you go to the next step. Now, the next step is where you get to review and refine. At this point, what we want to do here is to actually listen to everything that was done by Gling AI plus your input. Listen to it one more time to hear if there are other things that you need to remove, or there are some places that you cut that you feel that is supposed to be there, and other. Just review and refine it. And one more additional benefit to Gling AI is the fact that this tool also allows you to remove noise on the background of your video, right? And also help you add some basic effects on the video, like zoom in, zoom out. You can get all those features done And once you're done with that, you're good to go with your video. Now, step number 5 is exporting your video. The moment you are satisfied with the quality of the video that was edited by this AI tool, Gling AI, all you need to do is to export. Now, when it comes to exporting, you have the option of exporting it as a raw file. You can export it as a raw file. Now, you can also take it to place like DaVinci Resolve or Final Cut Pro, and you can continue editing if you want to do that, right? So, or just export it as a complete MP4 video, already made video that you can just upload on YouTube. With this, you will start uploading your video consistently on YouTube and trigger the algorithm in your favor. And that is how you get to blow up your YouTube channel, by using this tool to solve issues. If you've not gotten it tool yet, click the link below so that you can go sign up for the free account, use it, and start blowing up your YouTube account. If you're thinking about making more money as a business owner, entrepreneur, then what you want to do is to become a contentpreneur, not just creating content because of the YouTube algorithm, but creating content that can actually sell your own products. So keep watching, watch the particular video here and see how you can create digital products that you can create other content on YouTube to sell those products, and see you in the next video.